Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to show you how to install a vinyl graphic on your car or truck. So what you're going to need to do this, your vinyl, of course. I will put a link to the company that makes vinyls, custom vinyls. They have pre-made vinyls, but I'll put a link to their Etsy page down in the description. You'll need either an applique or an applicator, or just use a gift card, or I'm going to use a Kroger Plus card, glass cleaner, and microfiber towels. And again, I'll put all this down in the description. First thing you're going to want to do is clean off the window or the surface you're going to apply your vinyl to. And again, I use invisible glass. And take your microfiber. Once your window is clean, you'll take your vinyl, and I know this is straight across the bottom, so I'll line it up with the bottom of the window, make sure it's going to fit, hold it in place, peel it back like that. I'll fold that under, and then get the top part going. Take your card or plastic wedge, and once you got that done, gently start pulling down. And apply it. And then you get to the bottom, and once you're good, peel it. And you want to hold it flat, and you keep it flat, that way it will not peel up any of your letters or your image. And there you go. We'll see you guys next week.